This video is part of the series covering the user interface of Vertex BD and will specifically look at some of the mouse and keyboard functionality available. We will begin with the general mouse functionality. The left button allows you to select an object in the working window, as well as selecting items in the various menus and toolbars. The right click is used to bring up contextual menus, which is covered in its own video. The mouse wheel serves two functions dependent on how it is interacted with. Pressing it can be used to confirm commands, while scrolling will zoom in and out where the cursor is. The mouse can also be used in a variety of ways in both 2D and 3D workspaces, whilst using the Shift key in conjunction with the mouse buttons. In 3D, you can use Shift and the left mouse button to rotate the model. You can also rotate from the origin by holding down the mouse wheel. Shift and the mouse wheel will pan the model, while Shift and the right mouse button zooms the model. These commands also work in 2D. However, whilst rotating, Shift and the left mouse button will show you a quick preview of the 3D model, without needing to move into the 3D model itself. The model is cut off about halfway height-wise on the story you are currently active in. We also have a number of keyboard shortcuts. F1 brings up the help, F2 toggles between 2D and 3D, F4 opens the Draw Model Pair selection screen, and F5 refreshes the model. We also have various constraints to lock in certain directions. For example, U constrains in the X-axis, whilst I constrains in the Y-axis. And finally, O constrains the Z-axis. Confirming can also be done with the V key, whilst Escape will quit any active command. Please see our help files for further information on keyboard shortcuts. This concludes our video on the basic mouse and keyboard functions. Thank you for watching.